Today's West Kelowna HVAC gas fireplace question is, when should I be worried about a gas fireplace? I assume by worried you mean safety-wise. So the main indicator is that you can smell something. It smells like foul eggs in there. That's an indicator that the company's put into the gas so that we will be safe. We'll know that it's leaking and coming out. Normally you wouldn't smell gas. That's why they put that egg smell in there for us. The second thing would be to listen for hissing or whistling sounds coming from it. That indicates some sort of lack of seal, whether it's gas or just the air getting in and causing issues. So I would definitely say that if there's any sort of situation like that, if it's foul smelling, get out of the house right away. Call and get it sorted. If it's just falling apart, you think, and kind of not sealed up right, that's the time to call in a technician to make sure that they can get it proper. So they'll put in, replacement pieces, new seals, whatever needs to be done to make sure that you and your family are safe. Okay, so that answers that question, I hope. If you have any more questions, just reach out to us at Total Plumbing and Heating in West Kelowna. Have a great day, everyone.